Hey there drone fans, Rick here again from Drone Valley. In today's video, I'll review the FirstPower replacement battery for your DJI Mini drone. This single battery works perfectly fine with the Mini 3, the Mini 3 Pro, and even the Mini 4 Pro drone. And it has the exact same specifications as the original DJI battery. Even the flight times are the same. So on a fully charged battery, you'll get up to 45 minutes of flight time on a Mini 4 Pro, up to 47 minutes on a Mini 3 Pro, and up to 51 minutes on the Mini 3, which is absolutely incredible. And again, the specifications are exactly the same. It's 3,850 milliampere hours, and it only weighs 119 grams, so it's perfect for all three of these drones. And honestly, when you look at this battery compared to the original battery from DJI, I promise you, you can't tell the difference. The architecture is the same, the physical casing is the same, the capacity is the same. It's a clone of the original battery, and it provides, again, exactly the same specifications. Now, I've had this battery for a couple of weeks, and anytime I get a new replacement battery from a third party, I like to really put it through its paces. So I've been out flying a lot with this battery, and of course, when I first plugged it in, I wanted to make sure that the application could see it, because there's a smart controller inside these batteries that actually talk to the controller inside the drone, and they exchange a lot of really important information about the battery levels, the temperature, how many charge cycles, and it's important that I see that through the actual application. Everything I see with the original battery, I see with the replacement battery, including the individual cell levels, the serial number, all the things you care about. The only caveat I have is I wouldn't recommend doing a firmware update with a third-party battery in, because a lot of times the firmware looks at the drone, the controller, the application, and it may look at the controller firmware in the battery. So if you've got this battery in, I haven't tested it with a firmware update, but my recommendation is when you do your firmware updates, make sure you have an original DJI battery in the drone. But other than that, I put this in my battery rotation, and I've got a ton of batteries for the Mini series, and I've used it, and I've even forgotten that it was part of my rotation. That's how much I trust that battery. So I think they've done a great job, and what I like about the company is they don't just put a battery out that sort of works. They put a battery out that, honestly, side by side, if you didn't look at the label, you could not tell the difference between this and an original DJI battery. So for me, a battery is one of the first accessories you're going to run out and buy when you start flying these drones, because I promise you, the minute you put any one of these drones, or any drone really, up in the air, you're going to have so much fun that you're going to want to fly a lot longer, and you're going to run home, you're going to get online and start ordering batteries to increase your airtime. This is a great option for doing that. And that's all I really had for today. Really straightforward product, slides right in the drone, fits perfectly, works perfectly, and it's got the same specifications, which is really important. And that's pretty much it. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, as always, happy flying!